Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check the performance of your nurture sequences in MailerLite so that you can see if they are working, if they've got a high percentage of unsubscribes at a particular email. So you might want to change it if people are clicking off at a particular moment, so that way you can use that data to go and improve it if you need to. So you're going to come into MailerLite, you're going to go to automation, and you're going to click on the automation that you want. So this one has been going for 4 days now. So I'm going to click on overview and see how it's performing, because this is one for if people join my free group, they then click through, they get added to this workflow. So it gets them to introduce me. So this great one, first one, so far 123 people have received it. So it just goes, the numbers of recipients will be different depending on where they are. And I can see so many people have opened it and so many people have clicked it. But if I click on view report, I can see that nobody has unsubscribed at that point. Brilliant. That is great. So let's go back a page, go back down again, scroll back down to the emails. So 118 people have gone through it. The click-through rate's a little bit lower. So you can check to see, so you can see that actually nobody's hit this part yet, which is fine. But you want to be checking through on this data. So has anybody unsubscribed at this point? Yes, one person's unsubscribed. Okay, that's fine. That's not too much of a problem. But you want to be making sure that you're checking this information quite regularly. So if one particular email, so only one person's unsubscribed from the sequence so far, out of 123 people, that's kind of okay. So keep going down. Has anybody unsubscribed on email 4? One. So out of 123 people that have gone through this sequence, only 2 have unsubscribed and at different points. So at this point, it wouldn't really give me any cause for concern, but I would keep an eye on that information, maybe check it again in a month's time if a lot more people have gone through it, to see if there's at any point. So for example, if it gets to email 3 and 25% of people at that point are unsubscribing and not getting to emails 4 and 5, I would be looking and going, okay, well, that email isn't resonating with them for whatever reason. Let's change it. Let's put a different email in, and then let's see if that will reduce that unsubscribe rate. So by going in and checking this data that you have access to, it gives you that opportunity to create a nurture sequence that is really, really in tune with the people that you need it to be. That's how it's done.